Okay, let's create let's create a product card section. We're going to use our div for this. Then we'll put our H2. H2 is going to be a wireless noise cancellation. So we have wireless noise cancellation. Then let's involve our paragraph where we'll have the product is going to be sunny. Then we can have the image img, the image of the product, which is this. So for the alternate, we can have it as headsets. After the image, we can involve another paragraph, and in this paragraph we can have the price. We can have the price, which is this. Then let's make it to have 20% off using a strong tag. Using a strong tag, we can have 20% off. So this, let's check what we are doing. Preview. This is what we have. As you can see, our image is very big. So let's go to the styling. For the CSX styling, we can first of all target the image to reduce the size of the image. We can make it to have a width of 150 pixel, and it's this way. Now let's target the div and make the div to be a display of flex, and flex direction should be colon, and also let it have a background color. Let's choose a background color. Let's make this to be a little bit deep and purple. Let's make it to be a little bit deep. Then after we have this, then we can give it a maximum width of 300 pixels, and it will be this way. Then a border radius of 2 rem, a border radius of 2 rem. We now have a padding of 2 rem, 1 rem, and you can see we're having our card already. Then we can have the colors of the items inside. We can make the color to be a pink color, bright one. So we can keep it to shine this way, or let's make it brighter. Let's make it brighter. So we have the color this way. Now our card is looking good. Next thing we need to do is to target our strong tag. Then we can make it to have a background color of let's make it to be this color. Yes. Then we can give it a padding of 0.5 rem. Yes, very good. And border radius is very important. Border radius of 1 rem. So this is what we have, 20% off. We can also give it a maximum width of 50 pixels, 20% off, or we can increase this to 100 pixels. We can increase this to 100 pixels. So this is what we have as our product card. Our padding, well, let's add another 0.5 rem for padding to make it balance very well. So this is how to style your product card using your CSX.